Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am teacher Azira. If you like this video, please give me a good thumbs up. If you like to ask questions, don't forget to leave your comments below. And if you like to see more videos like this, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Okay, now in this lesson, before we go further, I want you to look carefully at the pictures below. What can you see in each one? Okay, let's take a look at this picture. What can you see here? Yes, alright, it is a violin. It's not a guitar, it's a violin. Let's move to the second picture. What can you see here? A television. Very good. The next one is a bicycle. Okay, now let's move at the second group of picture. The very first picture. Okay, where is it? Yes, it is in a supermarket. Alright, how about the second picture? Car park, correct. And the third picture? Okay, you can see someone's reading here. Okay, yes, library. Okay, now let's move to the third group of picture. What can you see here? The very first one. Okay, Oppa, grandmother. Yes, very good. Old woman. Okay, let's take a look at the second picture here. Okay, what can you describe in this picture? What kind of woman is it? Yes, it is middle-aged woman. If this is middle-aged woman, how about this third picture? Yes, it is middle-aged man. Very good. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Okay, now I want you to look at the pictures in A, which is we have one group of picture, the second group of picture, and the third group of picture. So I want you to match this group of picture with this question. Okay, so let's take a look. Group picture number 1, you can see violin, television, bicycle. Alright, so in your opinion, which one suit? Okay, let's go through the question. Where did the woman meet her cousin? Where refer to places. Okay, who does the man's niece take after? So who refer to people. Very good. How does the man's daughter spend her free time? So how means it's referred to some kind of activity. So I want you to pause this video. Pause first and try to match the pictures and the questions. Okay, now that you are ready, let's go for the very first group of picture. Okay, what is the question? The question is, yes, how does the man's daughter spend her free time? The second group of picture, yes, where did the woman meet her cousin? Okay, the third group of picture, yes, who does the man's niece take after? Very good, well done every one of you. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Okay, now I want you to listen to 3 conversation and circle the correct answer, A, B or C in task B. Okay, so you are going to listen to an audio.
Listening, Unit 1, page 10, C. 1. Where did the woman meet her cousin? Did you remember to go to the library yesterday?
I did, but I was late because I saw my cousin before I got there.
Yes, she told me. She said she met you in the car park on her way to the supermarket.
That's right. Of course, she had to show me her new car.
2. Who does the man's niece take after?
So you finally met your niece yesterday. Who did she take after?
Well, she doesn't look like her dad at all. I suppose she does look a bit like her mother, but overall, I think she looks most like her grandmother. 3. How does the man's daughter spend her free time? I think my daughter should spend a bit more time outside. She could be riding her bicycle or something.
Well, at least she's doing something creative. Practicing the violin is much better than just sitting watching TV.
You're right, but sometimes I want a little peace and quiet.
Okay, you now have some time to answer the question, alright, and circle the correct answer. Okay, based on the picture here. Okay, well done. Now let's discuss. Okay, where did the woman meet her cousin? The answer is... Yes, correct. It's B in the car park. Alright, let's move to the second question. Who does the man's niece take after? What does it mean by take after? Take after is, okay, to look or to behave like someone, okay, older relatives, okay. So who does the man's niece take after? The answer is, yes, the answer is A, grandmother. Alright, the third question, how does the man's daughter spend her free time? Yes, by playing violin. Okay, that's it. Let's move to the next slide.